nam kwana. It's alleged that Oyeni sex tape will leak. Okay, welcome to the channel. My name is Paco to the Rich. And I hire several Ghana. I hire the local content which is coming from Ghana in other years, bro. Now, there is something trending in Ghana. One beautiful lady is trending. She's all over the internet today. Her name is Serwaa. I'm here. Yes, Jack, where are you? Also, Serwaa, I'm here. Now, trending all the trending. Obi baby said there. Why is Serwaa trending? Yes. Videos been in them groups, in them DMs, in them kwana. It's alleged that Oyeni sex tape will leak. Sex tape. But man kasamini name I realize them this is below sex tape because you or you strictly romance being reflecting on videos being as inti onyazi bia chere video ni hu but hu naked man and naked woman na where is order na abrante no video ni mun nizina wa ba kayansa wa friend Henry Yobia, what show ye was a fupa. The guy has money. Guy is rich. Now, Mertzesakra or hotel be work for Ridia. I wouldn't want to, mention the name, but Charlie, the guy they say get money. Now, Zoro Quadring there. And if you don't know about to one, or then some bebre or daba. Now, some of the abang there. Serwaa Amihere, you know a public figure, a news anchor with GH1. Na deja video about the demi. A day you to me share the source or the reason why I need video the trend and you bisa all angles and all corners. Answer what the man in there. Say one only alleged there or your ex-boyfriend our friend Henry on in a well leaky video. Now a lot of people also feel there. The boy is so rich, the boy is so good, doing well. For him to blackmail Serwaa from 2019 up to now. Because the one can there, Serwaa say, guy now blackmailing her from 2019. Alleged though, the one can in the 2019 she's tired of paying into or a day video no or James. But as somebody you saying there, Ben you know so Obama responded oh no. At the jail, he got time where you go leak your video. Inti opposite baby was Snapchat and a man can ensure director should about to screen it over. We say I say wow and wow again. Blackmailing you since 2019 when I was accommodating you for 2,500 daily for about 5 months. Let us not even talk about how much I was spending on your other bullshit, including your fake ass pregnancy and miscarriage. I did not even have this so-called video until you sent me to calm me down when you knew you have screwed up. Okay, you messed up with more patcha in there. Paddy Brofudo is the year, but Serwaa has stepped on certain toes, or likely that I'm confident when any video no crowd was about to air. What bottom from him? Serwaa shouldn't blame on no at all. No blaming other boys and other guys on your war. Now the last one will post also Serwaa next time I will come very hard and I will bury every reputation you have built, calling me a blackmailer. Do not make me vex. And I try that guy who is July. And so let me narrate how Serwaa came in contact with this guy. Some years ago, yesterday a brand young guy bisikafubi or about a wedding. Nana wedding or rebellion, she didn't want any other person to MC than Nana Banamo because in a no wedding stand out. No wedding a picture cinema or as a show. And see the finest English madam. Yes, a brand and a year one. The finest English madam or wedding. No, just Serwaa Odin because Obia even than Nana Baze. What kind of hamburger and a hamburger and you say, well, I'm here. No, you say, what quay day? Work or wedding. Now, with that time, worry and yamo wedding I see na chairman Henry was sports to say, what? Now, say, when I was the way I'm saying, you may say, what? And to me, Shannon, a crepe, Ebosha one and 2 because the girl is sparkling. And ono oshe say we ya na chere o contact ana what the bodo was starting a water mpena. Nyanyem za ankwaye ma the whole impena career no gui. But it's obvious that things have gone bad. And somebody is not happy about something. Both Serwaa and Henry ni na. Inti nkomo wo social media ni there. Guy and all the blackmail. But I'm out for so what Zimupada wash a guy in reputation. This guy is too wealthy for such games. And this guy is saying the same thing. That's challenging you time. Inti nkomo something which is there. Inti saying with that Serwaa GH1 or trend or Twitter na. This is the reason. Na what's it? Nyasamshe, minuye nyasamshe. In the bongo idea so call ya Captain Smart the show do nya. Na okofase when I say be share unde tension bi was when a bongo ideas 1:50 time or audition bi wo ho. Inti bongo ideas are just center stage. And I issue yankasa wabe ojina fifi no or staring there. Bob Marley also stir it up. It's guys. This is the reason why Serwaa Amihere is trending. And she's trending for a wrong reason because nude videos is out. And a gangali and our system no a bon be bad and yama record over social media. Inti I hear win a report so in others I king. This is what people are saying. And so guys, if you know trend, this is it. Subscribe to the channel High and Samuel Ghana. From now we're going to give you great Ghana content from back to back. I'm not going to do this alone. I'll be bringing in new hosts and I'm sure definitely will enjoy them vibes in out there. From DJ Parkour Rich. All be lying and I'm out of here. Bye bye.